am Ananya. So today I am going to present my project on lexical analyzer and parentheses using the Python in compiler design. So this project is divided into three levels. The level 1 is known as identifier recognition, the level 2 is known as lexical analyzer, and the level 3 is known as Parser implementation. The main objective of this project is to understand how a compiler checks the program syntax and how it objects it by step method. So now coming to the level 1. So in the level 1 we have the identifier recognition. In this level, the program checks whether the given word is valid or invalid. So, if it is valid, it must first checks the character must be in alphabet, and remaining characters can contain alphabets or either numbers only. Only they have included two types. Like first one is the alphabet, and second one is the numbers. If this fails, then the identifier becomes invalid. So this is the code we have implemented. Here I have created a function called check identifier, and here like we have used the different types of names and alphabets numbers we have been imported to it. First it will store all the alphabets and numbers in a separate way, then the program checks whether the character is alphabets or not. If it is not, it returns to invalid identifier. Otherwise, if the given inputs are like according to the alphabets and numbers, then it will return to the valid user. So here is the complete code of the level 1 we have implemented. This is the code. So coming to the output. So now this is the output of level 1. As we can see, X valid because it has only the character the alphabet. Total 1, which includes both the alphabet and the numbers. Sum 2, it is also valid because it includes some of the alphabet and number. Whereas we can see that 1x, it is not a valid identifier. Instead it is an invalid identifier because 1 is the number but x is the alphabet. But as we have implemented in the code, first there should be an alphabet then the number. So according to the level 1, this is invalid identifier. This helps us to the level 1 helps us to understand whether it is valid or invalid. So now coming to the level 2. Level 2, it says mini lexical analyzer. So it is the first phase of a compiler we have used. It is used to divide the program into smaller units called tokens. So we have different types of we have used the different types of tokens like keywords, operators, delimiters, and we have also taken the numbers over here. In this code, I have created a function called lexical analyzer. The program scans each tokens one by one. Then it checks if the token keywords is printed, the operators or the delimiters we have used is valid or not, and it helps in printing us. So where mini etc, here we have created the mini etc program. Yeah, so here we can see the mini etc program that we have created here. So the program contains a begin, index, x is equal to 10, and print x and end. This program is to analyze tokens, that the tokens has been included in it. It is analyzed by token to tokens. So coming to the output. So the program identifies each tokens and classifies it, like begin the keyword, int is the keyword, x is the identifier, so print is the keyword. For each and every tokens there is a type which has been mentioned. So in the level 2 we got the tokens and types. Moving on to the level 3. So coming to the level 3, this is the last level. So it includes lexical analyzer plus parentheses, where this is known as the, it is also known as the second phase of a compiler. It checks whether the program follows the correct grammar or the syntax which we have been given. So in simple words, like we can check the program structure, whether it is correct or incorrect, and we can also follow the syntax rule. So we have included the program called, we have included the tokens and the words given in his, and we have included if or if else statements into it. So this is a complete code we have taken. As we can see, the class we have taken here, it first checks whether the program starts with begin and ends with the end. This is the valid statements where the declaration takes place here. As we can see, each have been declared in a proper. If the syntax is wrong, it gives the syntax error. If everything is correct, it prints a successful message. So here is the complete code we have used. It also shows some of the matching functions, like checks whether the tokens is present or not. Like if there is no such matches to it, it raises an error. We have also included many functions in a different way, like declaration, assignments, etc. So coming to the final output. So here is the final output we have gained, like it is successfully valid in mini ATC program. This means the program passed all the syntax and checks successfully. As we can see, everything is done in a successful manner. So at last, to conclude this project, it helped us understand how compiling phases works. In level 1, to check whether it is valid or invalid. In level 2, the including of tokens, and in level 3 checks the syntax. This project helps us to demonstrate the basics working of a compiler. Thank you.